welcome to Logan's Lab. Today I'm going to be showing you how to extract DNA from some blueberries. This is really simple. You can do it at home, and it uses products that almost every family has, okay? So first thing, you're gonna need a baggie with some blueberries in it. You're gonna need a freezer and some isopropyl alcohol. You're gonna need some salt, some dish soap, some water, a paper towel, scrunchie or hair tie, and a jar, and a stirring stick or spoon. Now, let's jump into it, shall we? Hi guys, the first thing you're gonna need to do is make your isopropyl alcohol really, really cold, or the experiment won't work and the DNA won't collect. So you're gonna need to put this in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. Now we are going to just completely destroy our blueberries. You're just gonna squeeze them all out. Get all kinds of blueberry juice in there. Now once your blueberries are good and gutted and mashed up, we're going to create our lysate solution, which will break apart the individual cells and separate the DNA. So you're going to need to put your dish soap in your water. Okay. Along with some salt. Going to ignore my okay, and we're going to just grab a stirring stick and mix it up. Now we don't want bubbles. Bubbles are bad. Just gonna mix it all up so it's pretty evenly blended. Get a salty, soapy solution. Okay, I think that's mixed up enough. Okay, now we have got to open our bag of blueberry guts and put in a little bit of the solution. Okay. Oh, and bubbles are a very bad thing, so when you're doing this next step, you do not want to create bubbles. Okay, so you're gonna bag and just like gently mix the blueberry guts with the solution. Again, I said bubbles are bad, so you don't want to do this too much. Create bubbles. Okay. Now we're done with the solution. We're done with our soap, and we're done with our salt. Now you have to pour this into your homemade filter. Okay. So we gotta be very careful here because you don't want to spill. Oh, and a little tip that might be helpful for you guys is if you do 2 paper towels instead of 1, yes, it will filter more slowly, but it will reduce the chance of your paper towel breaking, which if that happens, you're gonna probably have to start all over. So just gently, and now We just have to wait. Okay, so after that long, you should have about this much. Now, that depends on how long you leave it to drip down and how much blueberries you use. Okay, now for my favorite part. Gotta take this isopropyl alcohol, which has been in the freezer for a while. We gotta pour it in. So fun. Oh, almost immediately. Okay, now you just gotta leave it to precipitate. Now I'm gonna go grab a paper towel to clean it off. But okay, so now it's just a waiting game. You see that white stuff right here? That is DNA. It is usually DNA is super small and you can't see it, but thanks to the salts, it clumps together and floats in isopropyl alcohol. Now, you can do whatever you want with it. You can keep it, put it in a jar. It doesn't really matter. But you can also try other fruits and see which works well and play with the things. Just experiment. Anyway, that's it for today. Bye.